How to check app time usage on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, keep scrolling down to find Screen Time and tap on it. Screen Time shows you the specific usage per day and also see your daily average usage at the top. To see a more detailed breakdown, tap on See All App and Website Activity under the chart. On this screen, you can see the total screen time for this week and the most used sites and apps, showing exactly how much time you've spent on each one by showing their categories or apps and websites. Tap on Utilities, come back and tap on Information and Reading. Select each category to gain a more detailed overview of your activity. Following these steps, you can easily check your app time usage on an iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.